In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change calendar notification sound and vibration on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. On the settings, we need to get into sounds and haptics. We'll be taken to that page, and that's where we need to find calendar alerts. If we get into it, we'll be able to easily switch calendar notification alert sound. Now chord selected by default. However, just by selecting any sound, we can set it as a sound for calendar app notifications. And towards the top here, we can also find haptics. If we get into it, we'll be able to select any haptic pattern simply by selecting it. Also, we can turn off haptics as well as notification sound. To turn it off, just select none. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.